just one glass of water with baking soda can transform your health. What if I told you that one single glass of water mixed with a common household ingredient could completely transform your health? Imagine soothing your digestion, boosting your energy, and even protecting your vital organs, all with something that's sitting in your kitchen right now. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Stay tuned, because the truth behind this simple remedy might just change your life forever. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the science and secrets of baking soda water, a remedy so overlooked yet so powerful that it can address issues you didn't even know existed. From relieving acid reflux to enhancing athletic performance and even reducing chronic inflammation, the benefits are both surprising and undeniable. But that's not all. There's one ultimate benefit that could redefine how you think about your health. Curious? Let's get started. What is baking soda water? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring compound with alkaline properties. When combined with water, it forms an alkaline solution that can neutralize excess acids in the body. This basic chemical reaction forms the foundation for its incredible health benefits. Here's the twist. Most people know baking soda as a baking essential or a cleaning agent, but few realize its potential as a powerful health aid. So, what exactly can it do for your body? Let's uncover its secrets. Disclaimer: the following information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health regimen. Benefit 1. Instant relief for acid reflux. Acid reflux, characterized by a burning sensation in the chest, occurs when stomach acid rises into the esophagus. It's an uncomfortable condition many experience after indulging in heavy or spicy meals. Here's where baking soda water steps in as a natural, quick-acting remedy. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline compound that neutralizes excess stomach acid. When dissolved in water and consumed, it can provide nearly instant relief from the discomfort of acid reflux or heartburn. This effect is due to its ability to balance the pH levels in the stomach, creating an environment less conducive to acid irritation. However, while effective for occasional relief, it's crucial to avoid overuse. Frequent reliance on baking soda water can disrupt the natural acid balance needed for proper digestion and may lead to side effects like bloating or gas. If you're someone who occasionally struggles with acid reflux, sipping a half teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water may offer a safe and effective solution. That said, persistent acid reflux should be addressed by a healthcare professional, as it might indicate a more serious underlying condition. Moderation is key when using this remedy to ensure its benefits outweigh potential risks. Benefit 2. Enhanced athletic performance. For fitness enthusiasts and athletes, muscle fatigue is a common hurdle. During intense workouts, the body produces lactic acid, which builds up in muscles, causing discomfort and limiting performance. Baking soda water, however, can act as a game changer. When consumed, baking soda helps buffer the acidity in muscles, delaying fatigue and enhancing overall performance. Scientific studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can improve endurance by reducing the burn associated with high-intensity exercises. By neutralizing lactic acid, it allows athletes to train harder and recover more efficiently. Whether you're sprinting, cycling, or lifting weights, this simple drink can provide the competitive edge you're looking for. To maximize these benefits, drink a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda approximately 1 to 2 hours before your workout. However, be cautious. Overconsumption can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort or bloating. Always start with small doses and assess your body's response before incorporating it into your routine. Remember, baking soda water isn't a substitute for a balanced diet or proper hydration, but it can be an excellent addition to your fitness regimen when used responsibly. With regular use, you might find yourself pushing past limits you once thought impossible. Benefit 3. Supporting kidney function. Your kidneys play a vital role in maintaining your body's internal balance by filtering waste, regulating electrolytes, and controlling blood pH levels. However, when the body becomes too acidic, often due to poor diet or certain health conditions, it puts additional strain on the kidneys. Baking soda water can provide much-needed support by helping to neutralize excess acid in the bloodstream. Studies have suggested that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD, by reducing the acid load on these vital organs. It acts as a buffer, improving the body's acid-base balance and alleviating some of the stress on the kidneys. For individuals with compromised kidney function, this could mean better management of symptoms and an improved quality of life. To incorporate this remedy, dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney issues or are on a sodium-restricted diet. While baking soda water can be incredibly beneficial, improper use may cause complications. By supporting kidney health, this simple drink has the potential to safeguard one of your body's most hard-working systems, promoting long-term wellness. Benefit 4. Reducing chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious health conditions, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even cognitive decline. This silent disruptor occurs when the body's immune system remains activated for extended periods, damaging healthy tissues. Here's where baking soda water can be surprisingly effective. Research has found that consuming baking soda water may help modulate the immune system. It works by stimulating specific cells in the spleen to produce an anti-inflammatory response. This unique mechanism can lower inflammation levels throughout the body, leading to reduced pain, improved heart health, and better mental clarity. By incorporating baking soda water into your daily routine, you can train your immune system to focus on actual threats rather than triggering unnecessary inflammatory responses. Drink half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water once a day to experience these benefits. However, it's important to use this remedy responsibly. Overuse can lead to alkalosis, a condition where the body becomes too alkaline, which comes with its own health risks. As always, moderation is key. With consistent and proper use, baking soda water may help you combat chronic inflammation and unlock a path to better overall health. Benefit 5. A natural detoxifier. Every day, your body is exposed to toxins, from environmental pollutants to the byproducts of cellular processes. Maintaining an optimal pH balance is crucial for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, and baking soda water can play a vital role in this. Thanks to its alkaline properties, baking soda water helps neutralize excess acidity in the body, creating a more balanced environment for detoxification. This supports organs like the liver and kidneys, which work tirelessly to remove harmful substances from your system. Additionally, its ability to enhance hydration ensures that waste products are effectively flushed out of the body. Drinking a glass of water mixed with half a teaspoon of baking soda on an empty stomach can act as a gentle internal cleanse. Over time, you may notice improvements in energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. However, it's crucial to avoid overdoing it, as excessive intake could disrupt your body's natural processes. Used wisely, baking soda water serves as a simple, cost-effective way to assist your body in staying clean and balanced. Think of it as a gentle nudge to help your internal systems function more efficiently, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Benefit 6. Oral Health Ally. Maintaining good oral hygiene goes beyond just brushing and flossing. Baking soda water can be an excellent addition to your routine, offering surprising benefits for oral health. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize acids in your mouth, reducing plaque buildup and protecting your teeth from decay. Acidic foods and beverages, such as coffee, citrus fruits, and soda, can erode your tooth enamel over time. Rinsing your mouth with baking soda water creates a more alkaline environment, safeguarding your enamel and preventing cavities. Additionally, baking soda's mild abrasive properties can gently polish your teeth, resulting in a brighter smile without the need for harsh whitening agents. It doesn't stop there. Baking soda water also helps combat bad breath. By reducing the acidity in your mouth, It minimizes the growth of odor-causing bacteria, leaving you with fresher breath throughout the day. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish it around your mouth for a minute before spitting it out. While baking soda water isn't a replacement for regular dental care, it's an effective, affordable supplement to your oral hygiene routine. Over time, it can help you maintain healthier teeth and gums and a more confident smile. Benefit 7. Soothing urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, can be incredibly uncomfortable, causing symptoms like burning during urination, frequent urges to urinate, and pelvic pain. Baking soda water offers a natural way to provide temporary relief by neutralizing the acidity in your urine, creating an environment that's less hospitable to bacteria. When your urine is too acidic, it can irritate the bladder and urinary tract, worsening UTI symptoms. Baking soda, with its alkaline properties, helps to restore balance, soothing discomfort, and promoting healing. To try this remedy, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily until symptoms improve. While this method can ease symptoms, it's crucial to remember that it's not a substitute for medical treatment. UTIs often require antibiotics to fully eradicate the infection. Baking soda water should only be used as a complementary remedy to help manage symptoms while awaiting professional care. By incorporating baking soda water responsibly, you can reduce the discomfort of UTIs and support your body's natural healing processes. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using this remedy, especially if you experience recurrent infections or have underlying health conditions. Risks and precautions. While baking soda water is undeniably powerful, it's important to use it responsibly. Overconsumption can lead to side effects like nausea, bloating, or metabolic alkalosis, a condition where the body becomes too alkaline. To avoid these risks, stick to a dose of half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water once daily. Consult a healthcare professional before trying this remedy, especially if you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, or are on a sodium-restricted diet. Remember, moderation is key. The ultimate benefit. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the ultimate benefit of baking soda water. Are you ready? It's the ability to combat chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer linked to conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. By drinking baking soda water regularly and responsibly, you can give your immune system the tools it needs to fight inflammation at its source. Imagine waking up every day free from the nagging aches, fatigue, and brain fog that come with chronic inflammation. That's the life-changing potential of this simple drink. How to prepare it? Preparing baking soda water is as simple as it gets. 1. Take half a teaspoon of baking soda. 2. Dissolve it in a glass of water. 3. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach for maximum effectiveness. It's quick, easy, and costs just pennies. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of baking soda water revealed. From soothing digestion and boosting athletic performance to protecting your kidneys and reducing inflammation, this humble remedy is nothing short of extraordinary. But remember, its power lies in moderation. Use it responsibly, and it can truly transform your health. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who might benefit from these insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. There's so much more to discover. And tell us in the comments below, which benefit surprised you the most? Let's start the conversation.